Welcome to my channel. You have Naturally Cookie here, and today we'll be making flaxseed gel. Alright, here I have 1 bag of organic flax seeds. I have my own infused growth oil that I make, and a video will be coming soon, as well as some vegetable glycerin. I have 6 cups of boiling water on the stove, and that water has been boiling already for about 3 minutes. And I will add 1 cup of flax seeds to that boiling water. Once my mixture has started boiling, and it's been boiling now for about a good 6 minutes, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of my infused growth oil. I will have a video coming soon, once again, on how to make this oil. At this point, my mixture has been boiling for 15 minutes on medium heat, which is number 6 on my stove. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. At this point, I've been stirring and stirring. You want to make sure that you continue to stir periodically while your mixture is boiling on the stove, because you don't want your seeds to stick to the bottom and your gel to burn. I know that at this point, this is the consistency I want, because I can feel that when I'm stirring, I can feel the resistance of the gel, and I can see that the slime that is starting to accumulate on the top of my seeds. Now, there's different ways of straining, and you can use cheesecloths, you can use stockings. However, I had my grandmother's old flour shifter, and I thought, why not give it a swirl? So here. I did, though, have to shift it twice, because some of the seeds did seep through the side of the knob when I was turning it. So out of 6 cups of water and 1 cup of flax seeds, I was able to render 16 ounces of flaxseed gel. Probably could have got more had I used that leftover that you see in the bowl that I had of the seeds there once I separated it. If I would have used that and put it in a stocking to continue to strain the rest, I probably would have got a little bit more. Alright, here I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin can be added as a thickening agent. It can also be used as a preservative, but be careful with that. It can be good when using it because it can block in or lock in moisture. However, once that moisture is gone, keep in mind that it will prevent moisture from penetrating due to the blocking agents. So once again, thank you for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And please subscribe and thumbs up this video. Please share with your friends. Please comment down below and let me know, what would you like to see next? Will it be my infused growth oil, or would you like to see another Sunday's dinner? All right, until next time, have a blessed day.